The Florida Department of Agriculture is launching a new summer lunch campaign to provide kids all across Florida with meals throughout the summer. ABC 27's Brittany Jones is live for us now in the studio. And Brittany, this is very important for some families here in Leon County.
That's right, Mika. Officials tell me that there are actually kids who really depend on these meals during the summer, or they say the kids will otherwise go hungry. The program is called Summer Break Spot, where kids can visit centers to participate in recreational activities and eat food provided by hundreds of sponsors from around the state. According to the Florida Impact, an organization who provides resources to fight against hunger in Florida, more than 23,000 children in Leon County and surrounding areas are eligible for free and reduced price lunch during the school year. Participating organizations say they are trying to make sure these kids don't go hungry over the summer.
Is to be sure that when kids start school again in the fall, they don't start at a disadvantage because they have not been eating well all summer, which certainly has an effect on their ability to thrive, both physically and educationally, in terms of their readiness for school in the fall.
There are about 32 of these sites set up around Leon County all summer long, and those sites include local boys and girls clubs, libraries, churches, and other community centers. To find a summer break spot or to learn more information about the program, just visit our website at WTXL.TV. Reporting in the studio, Brittany Jones, ABC 27 HD.